Okay, so for my final game project, I created a maze game. And to begin, we click the start button. And you can see over here, when the green flag is clicked, I show this button and I set the points to 0. And when it's broadcasted start, then it will switch the backdrop to this beginning place. And then when this sprite is clicked, it will hide and switch the backdrop to the information one, and then it will broadcast level 1. It'll just show the instructions scene for 5 seconds, and then it'll broadcast level 1. So let's click start. And then you use your arrow keys to move. I'll show you if you hit the green edge, then you are sent back to the beginning. And then when you touch the finish line, then it broadcasts the next level. So when I'm broadcasting level 1, if I touch the finish line color, then it waits 0.1 seconds and it broadcasts the next level, which is this level. And when it touches the walls, then it goes back to, sends the sprite back to the beginning. So we're on level 2. So I changed the points by 1 because we got 1 point for passing that level. And I want to go to this point, the starting point, and if it touches this color, then it broadcasts the next level. If it touches the walls over here, then I go back to the beginning, and you want to make sure it's not touching this color. Then when I touch this one, it will go to the next level. If it touches these sprites over here, then it will be sent back to the beginning where it started. So if I click on these, then it will, when I receive broadcast level 4, it will show and it will go to this point and start there. And then it will forever change by 4, so it's always moving up and down. So if the Y position is greater than 180, then I want it to glide back to this point over here. So it will keep moving up and down. And then if it's below 180, I also want it to go to this point over here. And then when it broadcasts the next level, it will hide, so it's not shown on the next level. And the same goes for the bear. Again, if we touch the wall, then we just get sent back to the beginning of that level. This is the last level. Each level you pass gives you that many amount of points. So if I pass level 6, I'll get 6 points. Level 5, 5 points. Level 4, 4 points. And then once you pass all the levels, we are sent to this page, and you can click this button and it will send you back to the beginning. And when you click the green flag, then it resets it all and you are set back to 0 points over here. And that's it. Sorry for the noise in the background.